Okay, next pro tip. When you start getting comfortable with Squarespace, you'll often be going to places like code injection or custom CSS. And wouldn't it be useful to then have a quick access toolbar to be able to do such a thing? We'll leave a link just below this video, but here at Beyond Space, these guys have then created this. Here is the link, the piece of code that we will then go into Pages, Website Tools, and Code Injection, and just paste that here. And then after hitting save, you'll then see it start to appear. So then this gives us quick access back to home, into Code Injection. Note that you need to add this to every site that you'll be working on, but that it will only appear to you as you're seeing this. And then once the website is live, that won't be there. But fantastic to just have a quick access to key areas that you'll regularly go to.